in Taipei and we're here at How Living Club. We're going to do a cooking class, which I'm so excited about. I love food and I love cooking. So we're gonna try making our own. We're gonna make beef noodles with a cucumber salad and bubble tea. When I heard we were gonna make bubble tea, I couldn't imagine it, but we're gonna meet a chef who's going to show us how it goes. I feel like we're starring in our own
Hi everyone,
TV show.
I'm Yok.
He's our chef. I feel nervous about my knife skills being beside a chef.
Yes.
Please
so
don't look too closely.
I'm ready.
He put this onion in the freezer for an hour?
Yes.
So I'm not crying. Thank you very much.
It would be only tears of joy.
Yes. So much possibility in an empty pot, don't you think? Olive oil
is
to
best.
start. He says 1 tablespoon, so I'm gonna eyeball it here.
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2?
Yeah, maybe 2.
Let's just go bananas. That's sizzle though.
Sounds good.
Now we're cooking.
Now you're a real chef.
So scallion chili, is this ginger?
Yes.
Oh, I love
Like
ginger.
and this one, the ice sugar. Sugar and salt.
They're like little gemstones. It's snowing. Looks like Canada.
Make
it a stir.
the sugar caramelize.
It's so nice to cook because when you're traveling, you don't have a kitchen all the time. And I just find it so relaxing. I love cooking.
That one is Taiwanese way. Big one, big size.
If you're ever wondering how the Taiwanese way is to cut beef, that's your perfect cut right there. Size. Perfect size.
It's just perfect.
I was gonna cut it again. York was like, don't cut that. Don't cut that. So we're using the pot to do the vegetables on one side and then the beef on the other. And I just dropped them all in and he said, don't touch them for
Just like make a steak.
a couple of minutes. Okay.
Yeah, just like make a steak. We fry every side.
So the beef has been sitting here for a little while. I wish you could smell this right now. We need smell-o-vision. But we want all of the beef to look like that. So the sugar that we put in earlier is just caramelizing on the outside of the beef and giving it so much flavor. So York says to just let it sit a little while until it all starts to look that nice brown color. So I'm just gonna wait. Added the water, so now the stock is really starting to build. It smells so good. So while the stock is getting a lot of flavor building, we're gonna make cucumber salad?
Yeah, cucumber
for the
salad.
side? Okay.
This one sugar, garlic, and rice vinegar.
Rice vinegar again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We cut the cucumber. You can cut any way you like.
Okay.
Someone cut like this, someone cut like this. But this way is my favorite way.
There, that looks better.
In the kitchen, no rules.
No rules, okay. I'll fit right in. Just be careful not to hit your wrist.
Yeah, don't slice yourself.
So garlic, sugar, rice vinegar with the cucumber that we crushed. This is sesame oil. So I'm allowed to try it?
Yeah, you can try. If I
Oh,
could,
that's good.
yeah, if I could, I try it a lot.
Yeah.
Try it a lot.
Because you're a chef, right? I mean. We're gonna make pan-fried dumplings. We're gonna make that?
Of course. It's easy. Today is my first time to teach someone to cook.
Really? Yeah. Oh, you're such a good teacher. Thank you. Are you serious? This is your first time?
This is my first time.
This is my first time too. Making them. So this is white pepper in there, can you see? That has a lot of flavor.
We use the white pepper a lot in Taiwan. White pepper, rice wine.
It's so satisfying when you see all the ingredients start to mix together. I'm kind of nervous about this part.
Yes, it's easy. It's for you, it's for me. Don't put too much. Otherwise you difficult to.
How's that amount?
Will be, yeah, a little more. Water.
Water?
Yeah.
Oh, to make it sticky.
Yeah. Push. Just one push.
Just one push.
One push. Push. Push.
Like that?
Yeah. Put together.
That doesn't look that bad. Sort of.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. First time.
Let's compare our dumplings.
On the first time, it's good.
We're taking a poll. Which one is better?
Which one is York's and which one is Eileen's? It's not that hard to tell.
Push.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Yeah. Just two.
Just two,
Just two.
okay.
Just two, okay. The other way.
Look how good it looks.
Yes.
Okay, I don't want to mess up
That looks
the other
real.
side. It looks like a real dumpling.
Push.
Push.
Yeah.
Push like
It
this.
sounds like you're in labor right now.
I am laboring over this dumpling. Okay, there's my second one. Oh, that's nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Get the hang of this.
Good. Dumpling master.
You can now call me dumpling master. While we've been making the dumplings over there, our soup has been simmering on the stove, and I'm going to taste the broth again now. Oh. I wish you could taste this. Here. This is all the ingredients you need for bubble tea.
Yes. Okay, water, sugar, this one. So first of all, we mix the flour together.
So this is flour.
Yeah, the potato.
Potato flour. Oh, a starch. Potato
Yeah.
starch. I cannot conceive of making bubble tea. I can't believe that we're making bubble tea right now. It seems like a really complicated thing to make.
It's easy. Trust me.
He says it's easy.
It's more easy than the soup and dumpling.
What? Okay.
Just mix. So
Okay.
for you, boil with water, the brown sugar.
This reminds me a little of maple syrup.
Yeah.
And this looks a little bit similar.
For the waffle.
Yeah, for waffles,
For waffle,
pancakes.
everything.
I put on
Fried
everything.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Yeah.
It's a South way.
I think York and I need a cooking show.
Yeah. This is your pilot.
Yeah.
This is my first time.
Has like a taffy texture.
So sticky.
Oh, sweet lord.
You want to try?
Yes.
Take this one. Cut.
Oh, you used the bubble tea straw?
Yeah.
So we have the dough for the little bubble tea bowls, and as a cookie cutter, we're using the bubble tea straw, which is perfect.
Yeah, it's
Because
perfect.
then it's the perfect size to get up when you're drinking
Yes.
it. My mind is... I had no idea that's how they made them. Okay, now repeat 100 times.
Maybe 1,000 times.
Yeah, 1,000 times. tapioca M.
Yay. I've always wanted one.
We're gonna fry the dumplings now, part 2.
Part 2.
These are gonna get fried in here. You made a spiral sun.
Just like,
Just all in.
yes.
Oh,
And be careful of the elephant in the flour.
this is why you don't make enormous bubbles. For this reason. We also made a heart, an elephant, and I made a little sand dollar. Here's Mark's M, and this looks like a little clover. This is just a mistake. I don't know why
I think it looks like a skull.
Okay, it's a skull now. And this we're gonna call a smile. Look at how big the elephant is.
Yeah.
On top there's a snowflake.
So beautiful, right?
That's beautiful. So I'm putting some vegetable oil in.
Yeah.
Look at these noodles. No, that's a noodle.
For you, Mom.
Look at
Try.
how beautiful that looks. Mix it.
Yeah.
I need to be alone. And the bubbles fit perfectly through the straw. And now I know why. So we're gonna plate the cucumbers, and York says to let them sit like at least 3 hours, and if you crush them then the flavor absorbs more quickly, so you could let them sit for a little less time, but the longer they sit, the more flavor they take on, so overnight is even better. These are gonna be delicious. Final touch for this soup, sprinkling the scallions. Look at that! Wow! It looks so good. We just finished the entire meal, and I cannot believe that with York's help that we made all of this together. This is the beef noodle soup. These are the pan-fried dumplings. The cucumber salad with a bit of chili sauce on the side, and then the bubble tea, and we actually learned how to make the little tapioca balls in the bottom of this. I cannot wait to eat this. I mean, I have been, tasting it like you're supposed to as you go, but to actually see this all laid out in front of me and know that now I know how it's made, I feel like I'm going to appreciate this food every time I see it now in a whole different way. Thank you. Thanks for being my first teacher.
Yes. My first students.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks, man.
This has been so much fun. I still can't believe that I made all of those dishes with the help of York. I'm going to try this at home, and I'm probably going to miss him very much. But thank you so much, York, and to How Living for this absolutely unforgettable experience.